I need food.
On the streets of Goa, there are no sidewalks.
No.
There are no sidewalks anywhere in India. From my experience so far in the last 10 days that I've been here, I'm with a new friend here that I found in the hostel in the Brew and Bunk, or is it Bunk and Brew?
Buck and Brunk.
Brunk? Bucket Brunk?
Buck and Brew.
Bronco?
Buck and Brew?
Brazil?
No.
I think it's Bunk and Brew.
I think.
It's all Brew and Bunk. Doesn't really matter. Whatever is the most important to you, Brew or Bunk? That's the one that comes first.
Not Bunk.
Okay. Oh, so you don't drink?
No, not a lot.
It doesn't take much to get you drunk.
In France, yes. But in India, when you travel alone, it's better to have self-control.
Of course.
I don't want to have a bad experience, so I drink just a little bit.
Yeah, especially for a girl.
Yes.
Yeah, you want to make sure that you can run if anybody approaches you.
Yes.
Say your name one more time. What's your name?
Maili.
Maili.
Maili. M-A-I-L-I.
Maili.
Yes.
Maili. I'm gonna remember. Don't worry.
It's a Thai name.
It's a Thai name.
Yes. The meaning is young girl.
It means young girl.
Yes.
Except you're 36 years old now, so.
Yes. Hey, cow.
So Maili is very hungry.
I need to eat quickly.
So my heel feels a lot better now. I'm not sure if it is the painkillers that are kicking in. Yeah, I can walk normally. I feel I can walk normally. Let's see what's gonna happen tonight. Hey, what's up, my friend? How are you? You good? How's things?
All good. How's
Good.
your leg?
Oh, it's getting better, man. Can you see I'm walking okay now?
Yeah, take care of yourself.
Yeah, definitely. Are you still there, yeah?
I'm leaving now.
Oh, you're leaving now? Brother, nice to meet you, yeah? Take care of yourself.
Bye.
It's crazy when you stay in hostels. You meet people, you hang out with them for a couple of days, and then you probably never see them again. It's just the way it is.
So sometimes you keep contact with people.
Let's go this way. That's what I thought.
Some people I met in India, they came to visit me in France.
So it's a beautiful sunny day again in India. It's always sunny in India. I'm not sure what the temperature is right now, but it feels like somewhere between 25 to 28 maybe.
Yes. It's not dry. Opposite of dry.
Is this the way to the currency exchange shop?
Yes.
These are really expensive. I checked these out just because I wanted to ask. It's like 3,000-4,000 per night.
What?
Yeah.
3,000 for that?
Yes, per night. It's a bungalow.
The last time when I came, I was with a friend, so when you share it's better. And not so much expensive. And very nice, not like this, like...
It's
Hey, hey, hey! How are you?
exchange some cash.
Fine? Thank you for yesterday.
How are you? I need to get some change.
Yeah, no problem. How are you, sir?
How are you, my friend? Can I film?
Yeah.
How much is the exchange rate?
For euro, sir?
Yes, sir.
You have smaller one or bigger one?
I have
50 and
20s.
20s. 20 will be 85.50, sir.
85.3?
5. If you have bigger one, then I will be able to.
85.5?
Yeah.
Why is that?
For bigger, we are getting more.
Oh, I need to eat very, very quickly.
Maili keeps complaining that she needs to eat. I'm getting very scared. I feel like she's gonna turn into a monster right now.
Exactly. When I don't eat,
You want to scratch people's eyes out?
maybe.
Here we have these bungalows. I think these bungalows are like between 3,000 and 4,000 as well. They're probably more expensive than the ones we just saw because they're closer to the beach. It's basically a one-bedroom.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, morning, morning. How are you?
You want outside or inside?
We can go outside.
Outside?
Why would we not
Outside
want
is
to?
okay for you?
Let's not. Yeah, come on. You want to eat on the beach? We're on the beach. No?
Yes.
Maybe not in the sun. Maybe we can have an umbrella.
It's a good idea.
Because I'm a white boy and I burn very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go inside. There's so much trouble.
Oh, okay.
Let's go inside. We'll go inside. You work in Magic World.
Yeah, I work in Magic World.
Yeah. How long have you been working here?
This is two months here.
2 months?
2 months here.
And do you like it?
Yeah, of course I like.
It's the best job. You work on the beach.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Are you serving us today?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Let's
Nice
check
to
and
meet
see.
Nice to
Yes.
meet you.
Nice one, buddy.
All is possible?
No.
Oh, I want food and
There's no fruits
Yeah,
available?
fruits, yeah, of course.
Yeah. So Ali was just telling me that the water is getting higher.
Yeah, it's getting day by day higher. You can see it's very rough now.
Yeah. And Ali owns Magic World. And he's saying that the government basically put a pillar here, that pillar over there, to indicate that his property ends here. So he has to cut about 1.5 meters of his property all the way down there in order to fulfill the laws. Is it just the tides or?
No, there was a couple of years ago cyclone. Remember the cyclone?
There's a cyclone, okay.
So cyclone damaged all beach.
Right.
It was on the ground level.
Yeah.
But the cyclone damaged. Take it beach down.
Everything already.
Yeah, that's why water getting more high.
Ah. When the tide is at its highest, where does the water go?
It's touching on the wall.
Oh, the water comes here? Insane. Maili! Say something.
It's very special.
You like it? You don't like it?
I don't know. I don't know if I like. I don't know if I don't like.
Come on, I told you it was sweet.
It's not sweet. It's sugar. Way to beach. So it's possible to book a kayak or
Yeah?
possible to go to the end of the beach
And-
to cross by walk.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we can book kayaks down there as well, right?
Yes.
Of course. So why would we book a kayak now? We're gonna be paddling for like 2 days. I've been here for about 4 days and I haven't come down here because of my ankle.
Oh my God. And you know, I checked.
It's 33 degrees on Palolem Beach. It doesn't feel that warm. I think it's because of the breeze and my cold calling, darling. Myself and Maili are probably gonna get a kayak and go to a small island with a bar.
Maybe it doesn't exist now. I don't know. After COVID, all is possible.
You think it doesn't exist?
I don't know. A lot of things change after COVID, so I don't know.
I think that means that the water is safe to go in. Even the cows are grabbing a tan. It's a jungle.
Jungle forest, 1 hour round.
Oh really? So you go up the river.
You are, yeah.
1,000 for 2 people?
Yeah,
So 500 and 500?
yeah.
Okay, my phone is in my pocket. I need to take evasive action. The water is getting deeper.
Maybe we can cross here, no?
Maybe I should take everything out of my pockets. Guys, we're going to the elusive beach. Just like Leonardo DiCaprio in The Beach. Maybe we're gonna see a tribe of people. People on their own little island. Oh shit, I can't go! Is my bag in the water?
No, it's okay.
Do I have anything in my pocket? Woo, that was close. I've got a bag full of technology, guys. I've got my laptop, my M50 camera. I've got a drone inside there as well because I'm not leaving it in the hostel, even though there's a locker with a lock on it. It's okay. This is the deepest part.
Yes, but maybe it could be better. Look, you can guys.
I barely made it across without getting my bag totally wet with everything inside of it. This adventure is becoming a bit of a nightmare. I wish I'd never met Maili.
Look. Oh, it's not the same.
When the water goes up, it looks like a shark. During the nighttime, in the darkness, it looks like Jaws emerging from the Indian Ocean. This is not the Indian Ocean, is it? What's up, guys? Is there a bar around there?
Yeah.
It's open? Oh yeah? Nice one.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yes, it's open, maybe.
Before, here, you have 3, maybe 5 rooms.
Rooms that you can sleep in?
Yes.
Really?
Not so much, maybe 5. All people with beer go on the walk to see the sunset.
Yeah.
The first bar was here, yes. Second one was here. No, here was toilets and accommodation.
Wow. So Maili was here about 3 years. It's 3 years ago?
3 years ago, and the first time it was 10 years ago.
Yeah. 3 years ago, just before the virus thing, it was bustling here. She just explained that there was a bar here, there were accommodation upstairs, and everything is absolutely derelict. Old huts, old tarpaulin. And maybe if you go inside there, you can see a few crackheads. Let's see if you can find some wildlife. I'm gonna crack me another brewski and do a little bit of exploring. So apparently people would chill out here when the sun is going down. They would sit down on these rocks. This is 3 years ago. These rocks right here. and they would look at the sunset. Hello. Hi, are you working here?
Yeah.
Can I ask you, do you know anything about the accommodation behind there?
Do you have any dates in mind? Like you're looking at February end, right? Mid-February or February.
Yeah.
You can give me a tentative date and I can tell you.
So are they all full right now?
Yeah, these oh, this side is full. Tomorrow, all are full. Today we have 1 and 2 open. We have this and this open.
So it's like a downstairs and an upstairs, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Come in.
Not you.
Oh wow.
So you have also a sleeping unit on the top. Come inside.
Okay.
Yeah. You can go up or you can sit down.
So there's a sleeping unit down here.
And there's a complete sleeping unit here. You got a fan.
And there are lights and fans. There's a mosquito net. There's a fan inside.
Yeah.
Everything's a little bit dark right now because the lights are
Switch
off.
on the lights, one sec.
Oh, okay.
How much? cost?
This will now go at around 5,000. Okay.
Per night?
Per night. And
5,000 per night, bungalow on the beach.
yeah, this is your bath.
It's very
Oh,
big.
this is cool, man.
Yes.
It looks like the rats can come through here.
Much smaller than this.
Yes.
And then we have the sea view rooms near the bar.
Okay.
And yeah. And then we have the non-sea view, which are behind the standard rooms.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have total 29.
Non-sea view. So what about the non-sea view? Is that cheaper?
Yeah. Non-sea.
It's a lot cheaper, is it? How much is it? 2,700. This is outdoor, guys. This is like, there's a fan here, outdoor sleeping, mosquito nets. You probably hear the waves crashing at night. That's pretty cool. 5,000 for this. If you want a non-sea view, you can get it for 2,700, which is one row down, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it's 30 seconds away.
30 seconds, yeah.
Maybe I can, not here. Because I think okay, maybe I can dead with the coconut on my head, but they are so smart.